This is why you need to pay attention. The future of tech is being built right now. And it's all about AI, blockchain, and full-stack innovation. AI brings intelligence and automation. Blockchain adds transparency and security. But when you combine them, powered by full-stack development, you unlock something bigger: intelligent trust. This game-changing synergy is transforming industries, redefining how we build, share, and secure information. Ready to see how? Let's dive in.
In the world of AI, personal data is very important and we need to protect it. So in that situation, cybersecurity is one of the most important crucial thing in the world, not just in the tech field, but also for our personal development also. So for that, there are a lot of tech enthusiasts who are students who are willing to join the cybersecurity for protecting data and encryption and attacks from other people. Then this is the perfect roadmap for them. So here is the Cybersecurity Roadmap 2025 in 12 months. Now let's go through it. So who is this roadmap is for? It is for beginners with no technical background or developers or IT professionals who want to switch to cybersecurity and students preparing for a career in cybersecurity. Okay, now let's go through it. So first phase, we are going to learn the IT and networking in the first 1 and 2 months. So the goal is to understand systems and networks, and the topics that you need to cover in this thing is the OS, that is operating system, networking, devices, and the tools that you need to master are Wireshark, VirtualBox, Cisco Packet Tracer, and the resources from where you can learn these things are Professor Messer, Cisco Skills for All, and Wireshark YouTube. From YouTube channel you can learn these all things, and then we can go to the next phase, that is a phase 2, Linux scripting and security, which is months 3rd and 4th. And the goal is to master system level control and automation, and the topics are Bash, PowerShell, hardening, and the tools that are required are Kali, Linux, VS Code, PowerShell, ISC, and the resources from where you can all learn all these things are from Linux Journey, Over the Wire, and Real Python. So these are very important, and I'm also mentioning you the resources also. From there you can learn these topics and learn these tools for mastering this Linux scripting as well as security. Then next we can go to the phase 3, that is cybersecurity domains, that is in month 5, and the goal is to understand the cybersecurity landscape. Domains that are there that are available in the cybersecurity are network security, infosec, cloud security, and there are so many more. And we have the tools Nesser, Nmap, Wireshark, and the resources are Cybrary, IBM on Coursera. Then we can go to the next phase, phase 4, that is penetration testing, and the goal is to learn how attackers think and exploit. This is one of the most important thing that you need to learn for being a cybersecurity expert, and the topics that you need to cover are recon, exploits, password cracking, and the tools are Kali, Metasploit, Burpsuit, Hydra, and the labs that from where you can learn these things are TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Portswinger. So right now we are in the phase 5, that is Blue Team Basics, that is from months 8 to 9, the 2 months that you have to. The goal is to detect and defend cyber attacks, and for that the major topics that you need to understand or perfectly master are SIEM, malware analysis, threat hunting, and the tools that will help you to understand them and to detect and defend the cyber attacks are Splunk, ELK, Suricata. Then the resources that you need to learn from where you can learn all these things are from TryHackMe, SOC Path, Cyber Defenders. Then we can go to the next phase, that is phase 6, that is cloud and web security, months 10 and 11. The goal is to secure modern platforms, like you can see the social media platforms or the places where we have more personal data information that we are going to carry out, and such like government websites and all. There we have the main goal that we need to have are to secure modern platforms. And the topics that we need to cover are OWASP, Top 10, API Security, Cloud IAM. And the tools that will help you to learn and to master these things are Burp, AWS IAM, and Scott Suite. And the resources from where you can learn all these things are OWASP, AWS Training, Cloud Academy, And then we can go to the next phase, that is the phase 7. Here this is the where you need to gather certifications and portfolio building in the month 12. And in this, the goal is to become job ready, that is by having all these certifications and portfolio ready to showcase your skills. The certifications need to be Security Plus, CEH, OSCP, CYSA Plus. These certifications are most widely and most important certifications that you can have, which will give you a very good job ready opportunity, and in your recruiting process will give you a benefit over others. And the projects that you can have are Hacking Lab, CTF, write-ups, SIEM setup, and the resume boosters. You can have GitHub, LinkedIn, and badges. So these will all help you in building your portfolio and certifications, and it will make you the job ready opportunity and will give you a above hand on other competitors. Then cybersecurity career paths, you have our first one is pen tester, and for that you need Kali, Burp, Metasploit, SOC analyst, SIEM packet analysis, and security engineer. For that you need to understand firewalls and IDS. Cloud security, for that you need to have IAM logging, and app security, OWSP code review. Then we can have the bonus learning platforms that you can learn all these things from. That is TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Cybrary, CTF Learn, and MyTree, ATT, and CK, Blue Team Labs. Then you can, the final thing that I want to let you know is that be consistent and practice daily. Learn by doing, use the labs and CTFs available, and connect with lot of other cybersecurity enthusiasts so that you can be able to update yourself every time when new changes are coming in the cybersecurity field. And choose your path that is on your wish. You can choose red, blue, cloud, or GRC. Whatever field you are in, definitely try to understand all those topics and consistently learn them and be practically ready. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching this video.